the locations icon where items are identified as being stocked at a particular location. For example, in this database, location 1 is located in Seattle. Each location contains an address page. In addition to assigning the address, a location can be assigned as either physical or logical. A physical location is typically a warehouse or section of a warehouse where items can be received, stocked, and sold. Logical locations indicate a virtual location where items exist but cannot be received or sold. For example, a truck, train, or ship. Typically, logical locations refer to items that are in transit between locations. Items existing in a logical location will appear on reports and inquiries, however they are not available for sale, at least temporarily. The contact page contains the name and contact information for the location, where the integration page can perform a general ledger override on a particular segment. In the example shown here, there is a region override of 10 occurring. So how does this work? Well, we haven't discussed the general ledger accounts yet, but assume a sales revenue account for a category of items is identified with a 20 region. If the item is sold from the Seattle location, Accpac automatically overrides the region segment with 10. The segment name, region, shown here, is an account segment name defined within General Ledger. It's important to know that if the default account, the sales revenue account in this example, did not contain a region account segment specified on the category, then no override will occur. This is a good way to have the system automatically alter which General Ledger accounts get posted so a regionalized income statement can be generated, showing sales without having to do a manual override when the transaction is entered. Depending on one of the IC options settings, the windows available for a location will appear different. Let's return to the IC options icon within Setup. If, within IC options, the option Allow Items at All Locations is deselected, an additional page within the locations icon becomes available. With this option now deselected, let's return to the locations icon. A new page called Items appears. This is where items are included or excluded for a particular location by choosing either yes or no. This item is allowed, where this one is not. If a receipt for this item is entered at this location, Inventory Control will display an error message.
Now let's take a look at account sets.